What's up, guys? Welcome to the FilthyKnobsOff-Road YouTube channel. I'm Johnny, and this is my 2018 YFZ 450R. Recently just reached out to Alba Racing for a set of Armat XC rippers. I had stock wheel or tires on here before. Just looking for something more aggressive. Everybody gets hole shots. I've had hole shots before, but I was looking for something more cross-country oriented. I don't run GNCC or anything like that. I'm just a trail warrior, weekend warrior. A little bit about these tires and the reason that I chose them. They have the traditional H-lug tread pattern, but on the back side of the lugs, there's like this 45-degree angle that they designed to help clear out the mud for every rotation. So, you know, on like hole shots and stuff, if you go through the mud, the lugs, or between the lugs, you know, just get clogged up with mud, and then it just gets slick and you don't get a fresh bite every rotation. But with these, they act like a shovel and they'll just fling the mud right off. So we're gonna try to test that out today. It's kind of wet, so hopefully we can find some mud, but I feel like they're gonna work real good. They also have lugs on the side towards the edges, like not really on the sidewall but pretty close, so if you get into them corners or in a ruts, you still got that full traction. Same with the fronts. The fronts have rotational. They're designed to help track through the corners, basically just steer the four-wheeler in the right direction. I mean, they look kind of like the stock ones, but you can tell that the lugs are a little taller, and looks like they grip a lot better than the stock tires. But these are a 6-ply tire, so they're a little bit tougher than like your stock tires or like a bias ply tire. They're a little bit heavier, but I mean, if you're riding trails and stuff like that, you want something tough for, like, you know, rocks and stuff. You don't want to puncture a tire out in the trails or on a race or something like that. So the rear tires are 20 by 11 by 9s. I believe they're an inch wider, so we'll see how that plays out in some of these trails that I go on that are pretty tight, and this is already a pretty wide quad. So with my stock tires, I was already banging off trees, so I don't think it'd be too much of a difference, but you never know. So we're gonna go out and test these tires now. I got a field right here. It's just mostly grass and it's pretty wet right now, so we'll be able to test from a start and get around some corners. I got some woods that has a little bit of trails to blaze through, and I have a gravel pit to go through too. So the sand's a little wet, so we won't get to be able to test the beach sand vibe, like which most of our trails are here in Michigan, are just real super sandy. But we'll get a feel for them, and we'll see what the results are like. So let's get out there and test them out. there you have it. Good job, Alba. Those tires are excellent. As you can see in the videos, ripping through the woods and in the field and gravel pit, they work great. And even after just coming out of this sand right here, I checked the lugs or the tread. Nothing caked in there, just on the edges. A little spot where I was just rolling through, but as soon as they come back around, they're gonna get another bite and keep on pushing. In that sandy hill, normally when I climb that with my stock tires, if I roll up to it like I did, I would just sit there and spin, but these things just make me climb right up it. And I know you didn't probably see in the video, but on the backside I was coming up over the top a little fast and just launching, which on those stock tires I wasn't doing before. Even in the woods, coming around the corners, once you get down past the leaves and it would grab the dirt and I was just wheeling out of the corners. It was crazy. I really love these tires. They're great. I'm really impressed. Even in the grassy field at takeoff, they grip, and you pull the front tires off the ground like nothing. So big shout out to Alba Racing for sending me these tires. Really appreciate it. Looking forward to more stuff like this in the future. I'll throw a link in the description for their website and these tires. Go check out their other stuff they have for YFZs, side-by-sides. I think they got some Honda stuff on there too. I haven't really checked on that side, but I was just mainly shopping for my four-wheelers. So thanks again. Subscribe to our channel if you want to follow along. Be riding these all year, and probably more in the future too. So we have a lot of off-road content on our channel, side-by-sides, quads, jet skis now. So we do a lot of group rides, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.